Good day, everyone. I am Shaina Lovely Ramos, and I am going to discuss the topic statistics and probability, measures of central tendency. At the end of this lesson, students would be able to A. Identify the measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode of a statistical data. B. Discuss the measures of central tendency of a statistical data to the class. And C. To participate actively with the class. So what is measures of central tendency? The term central tendency refers to the center or the typical value of a data distribution. This is also known as the average. There are four measures of central tendency or measures of averages: the mean, the median, mode, and the mid-range. First, the mean or arithmetic average is the sum of the values divided by the total number of values. This symbol is for sample mean and this symbol is for population mean. In a group frequency distribution, the mean is obtained using the formula mean equals summation of f times x sub m over n, where summation of f times x sub m is the summation of the product of the frequency f and the class midpoint x sub m, and n is the sample size. So these are the formula for the sample mean and the formula for the population mean. Second is the median. Median is the midpoint of the data array. The symbol for the median is MD. Third is the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most often. A data set can be classified as unimodal or one modal value, bimodal or two modal values, multimodal or three or more, or no mode. Fourth is the mid-range. Mid-range is defined as the sum of the lowest value and highest value in the data set divided by 2. The symbol MR is used for the mid-range. So we have here two examples on how to get the mean, median, mode, and the mid-range of the data set. Number 1. Find the mean, median, mode, and the mid-range of the data set. Goals scored over the last 7 games. The values are 1, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, and 8. To get the mean of the data set, we need to use the formula mean equals summation of x divided by n. Summation of x meaning we need to add all the values of x, and n for the number of values. We need to add the values 1, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, and 8. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals 35 divided by 7. So the mean of the data set is 5. So the median of the data set is 6, which is the number that appears in the middle of the data set. For the mode of the data set is 6 because 6 is the number that appears most often in the data set. For the mid-range, we need to find the highest value and the lowest value of the data set. So mid-range equals highest value plus lowest value divided by 2. So 8 is the highest value plus 1, which is the lowest value, divided by 2. 8 plus 1 equals 9 divided by 2. So the mid-range of the data set is 4.5. Example number 2. Find the mean, median, mode, and the mid-range of the data set. 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, and 8. To find the mean, we need to use the formula mean equals summation of x divided by n. So for the summation of x, we need to add all the values, which is 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, and 8, divided by the number of values. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals 32 divided by 7. So the mean of the dataset is 4.57. For the mid-range, we have to add the highest value and the lowest value divided by 2. So we have 8 for the highest value and 2 for the lowest value. So 8 plus 2 equals 10 divided by 2. So the mid-range of the dataset is 5. For the mode, we have two numbers that appears most often in the dataset. These are 2 and 5. For the median, we have 5 that appears in the middle of the dataset. Evaluation. Read each questions and write what is asked in a 1/2 sheet of pen paper. Number 1. What is central tendency? Number 2. What is the number that appears most often? 3. What is the number that appears in the middle of the data? Number 4. Find the mode for this set of numbers: 11, 7, 11, 18, 9, 7, 6, 23, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 9, 11, 11, 18, and 23. Number 5. Find the median, mean, mode, range, highest value, and the lowest value of the dataset. 9, 9, 10, 10, 14, 15, 16, 19, and 20. And that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.